What's goody? It's your boy Kyrie Brown coming back. Restart. What's goody? It's your boy Kyrie Brown coming back to you guys with a brand new video. Today's video is all about mukbang. Yeah, mukbang. You know how all these people be doing these weird things and stuff like that, guys. So, No, I don't. No, I don't. So yeah, guys.
He like cooking.
No, I don't. No, I don't.
Yeah, he do. He had a pancake this big this morning.
No, I didn't. That wasn't mine.
What happened to it?
I just gave it to the dog. It wasn't
Like I
mine.
say, he may be going through puberty right now.
So yeah, guys. Mukbang. I'm finna do a mukbang for you guys. That's today's video. It's the mukbang, you know. Let's get some juice.
Your name Gary too? And y'all there 1, 2, and 3?
A glass of juice. Some on the side of this cup. Hold up, guys. Let's go. Sorry, it took me like almost 2 minutes just to put some juice and all. But here I am. We're back. Let's start the mukbang. This is my first time doing a mukbang, guys, so don't mind me. Get this out the way. Alright, guys, this is my first time, so don't judge me or nothing. So, guys, what you guys want to talk about? Well, alright, let's get down to some basic stuff of what is going on. What's happening? So, what's going on is that the reason why I canceled the movie and stuff like that is on some reasons, guys. It's on some reason, guys. So,
You weird, fam. Get over here.
don't
Yeah,
stop, bro. I can't cuss in my videos, bro. Get out the way. Retarded kid. He retarded, bro. I'm sorry, y'all. He retarded.
You're retarded.
So, the reason why I canceled the meet and greet was because, if you guys haven't seen my last video, go check it out. Was because my papa was up in the hospital. We ain't know, we don't know if he gonna get better. But if he do get better, guys, I will uncancel the meet and greet. Uncancel it and stuff like that. And then, it'll be back on, having fun, doing the meet and greet, seeing you guys. And the movie too. Yeah. That movie, I might uncancel that too. But it all depends. It all depends that if my papa get good and stuff like that, and he get better, that's what I'm depending on. If my papa don't get good, then something happened to him. Like if he dies something, then everything is just gonna go down the drain. I'm gonna have to stop YouTube for like some weeks till I get back better. I'll let you guys know if something like that ever happened until my weeks is up. So yeah, it's bear with me, guys, and stay with me, guys. You know, help me out, support my channel, give me a like on these videos, like all my videos. Subscribe to this channel, please, and comment, leave a lot of comments and stuff on what my next video should be. Comment down what my next video should be. I probably might do it, or probably might not. I don't know. I can't make a promise on that, but you know, just subscribe to this channel and leave me likes. So yeah. So yeah, guys, you guys know, like, comment, and subscribe, and give me a bunch of likes. Let's say 100K likes. Give me 100K likes, and if this video get 100K likes, what I do? I don't know. I think of something, but if this video do get that many likes, I think of something and I'll do it. Yeah, I'll do it. So, yeah. It's my first mukbang. And stuff. So, I love you guys. Stay tuned for more videos. And I'll see you guys later. Peace out.